Oh, looks like we got another one. Two more building wish lists for you.
Ho, 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 I sure appreciate these old letters. The Santa app's nice and all, but I get tired of texting. Thank you. Let's see what they have to say. Dear Santa, I really want a new board. My board hates me. They are mean to me, they don't listen to me, they don't talk to me, and when I try to talk to them, they get mad. Signed, Karen. Oh, Karen. Every one of those board members has one thing in common, you. And you didn't get the charcoal I sent you last year, you thought it was a briquette. I can't wrap up new board members and put a bow on their head. Oh, I know what I'll do. I will have Karen have the gift of volunteerism. Elfie, make sure Karen gets written in as board president at her next HOA meeting.